Okay, back again. Name is Vani. Today we're going to continue our next topic about body organ, about what do the kidney do. The subtopic is a part of Unit 1 about human and animals. Let's have a look. This is how you find your kidneys. This is a way how you find your kidneys. First, you need to put your hands on your hips with your thumbs on your back, pointing backwards. Slide your hands up until you can feel your ribs. Your kidneys are just under your thumbs. It's over here. So this is where your kidney at, and this is how it looks like inside. The kidneys is an organ that is come in pairs, left and right. We have it one pair, and the shape is like beans, and it's also the size about a computer mouse for adult healthy kidney. And what do the kidneys do? The important function that kidney do for us is it helps us to filter. What does it filter? The kidneys will filter the blood. So the blood they take it from our body will goes to the kidney, and it will produce the waste product, and also it will remove the excess water. Kidney cannot work by itself. So to work properly, kidney should work together with some other organs. Here we have kidney and also ureters, bladder and urethra. So when the blood's entering the kidney here, the kidney will process it, will remove the harmful substance, and then will produce the waste product. We call it as urine. The urine will go to the ureter here through the pipe, and it will connect it to the bladder. So the bladder will collect the urine, and once the urine is full, the muscle of bladder will contract and take it out through the urethra here. We call it excrete or remove the urine. The whole process in the system call it as excretion. Okay, excretion. And when the urine is full in your bladder, maybe it's time for you to go to the toilet. Then what happens if our kidneys don't work? So when your kidney don't work, it can be happen because of a disease. The first option is the doctor can remove the kidney, the diseased kidney, and you can live with one healthy kidney. But the one who live with one healthy kidney, they should also limit their activities since the kidney can work harder. Usually normal people, healthy people get 2 kidney to support their activity. People who live with one healthy kidney, they should take care of their activity. And then the second option, when your kidney have problem, some people can go to a machine that act like a kidney. The machine clean and remove the harmful substance from our bloods. Call it as dialysis. And the next one, there's another option. You can change the deceased kidney with the new one. So the new kidney is usually taken from another family member or another people. We call the process as transplantation, or the doctor can transplant new kidney through an operation. The other one is we need to keep our kidney healthy. This is the important one because every day our kidney works and blood passes through the kidney 40 times in one day, and it will produce about 1 liter of urine. Remember to drink mineral water 6 until 8 glasses per day to keep your kidney healthy. Thank you for your attention. That's all for today. See you again next time. Bye.